Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to refund a game on Steam. So first, you need to open your Steam client on your computer. Then click on the help in the top left corner of the screen. Then in here, select Steam support from the drop down menu. In the Steam support window, click on purchases from the list of options. Then find the game you want to refund and click on it. Select the reason for your refund request from the drop-down menu. Follow the prompts to submit your refund request. And that's it. That's how to refund the game on Steam. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.